So the question is, were there any security or safety benefits? I would say yes. Again, it largely has to do with the application, but in the detention type application that I'm familiar with, there have been a lot of issues with in custody people able to transfer, believe it or not, things between commodes, hide evidence, or contraband, that sort of thing. And the vacuum plumbing system does not facilitate that in any way. I mean, once you put something in the commode and you press the button, it essentially is gone forever. So I think that is a huge selling point. Pardon the expression, selling point, but it was a huge lesson for us to learn in a detention environment. Yeah, it's really unique.